By the end of the video, we'll know ABOUT workout hacks, avoiding mistakes for a maximum efficiency. Greetings, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of workout hacks to help you avoid common mistakes that can sabotage your progress. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Firstly, remember to warm up properly before a workout. It's like greasing the wheels of your body, allowing for smooth and safe movement. Secondly, form over speed. It's not a race, and focusing on correct form will reduce the risk of injury and ensure you're making the most of each exercise. Thirdly, be mindful of your breathing patterns during exercises. Proper breathing helps you perform better and avoid feelings of lightheadedness or dizziness. Lastly, don't skip the rest. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. Give your body time to repair and grow stronger after each session. Remember, consistency is key in achieving your fitness goals. So, pick a schedule that suits you and stick to it. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness content. Until next time, stay strong and keep moving.